the scene of the accident. Check for injuries. First and foremost, always assess if you are injured or if there are injuries to any other drivers, passengers, or pedestrians. If so, immediately call 911 for ambulance assistance. Pull over and clear roadway. If there are no major injuries and you can safely move your car off to the side of the road and get your hazard lights on, then it's best to do so. This helps keep you safe and out of the way of oncoming traffic while you exchange information with the other drivers and wait for police and/or ambulance to arrive. If you're concerned about the safety of driving the car, then leave it where it is. Call police. Call the police, especially if there's an injury. Depending on the situation, for example, injury versus non-injury accidents and jurisdiction, police may gather statements from drivers involved and determine if it's necessary to file a police report. It's also a good idea to note the investigating officer's name and badge number in case your insurance agent or attorney needs to contact the officer. Exchange driver information. Get the names, addresses, and phone numbers of all the other drivers involved in the traffic accident. Write down the make, model, year, and license plate number of each vehicle. Be sure to obtain all insurance information, including the company, policy number, and any insurance agent contact information the driver can provide. Refer to the LVMPD Driver's Exchange Information Sheet. Take photos. Now, most of us have smartphones equipped with a camera, so snap some photos of the scene of the accident, damage to your car, and/or other vehicles involved in the accident. It can be very useful. Having documentation of the damage, i.e. license plates, driver's license, proof of registration, proof of insurance, proximity, position of cars involved, and other evidence such as skid marks along the road, helps when submitting an accident claim to your insurance company. Gather witnesses. If there are any witnesses to the accident, be sure to get their names and contact information and have them write a description of what happened. Also make sure they agree to let your attorney or insurance agent to contact and question them. Stay put. Stay with your vehicle until the police have arrived and filed any necessary reports, and all information with other drivers has been exchanged. Leaving the scene of an accident could result in criminal charges or misrepresentation of the accident. Shortly following the accident, file a DMV accident report. The laws for reporting accidents to the DMV vary from state to state. In general, anyone involved in a car accident involving personal injuries, death, or property damages exceeding around $750 must file a car accident report to the DMV. File claim with your insurance company. The most important thing to remember about filing an insurance claim is to report your accident as soon as possible. Also provide insurance company with information on the other driver. Contact a lawyer. Depending on the extent of the damage and/or injury, it may be a good idea to contact a lawyer because motor vehicle accidents can be complex and involve multiple parties, personal injuries, product defects such as airbags, etc., and other issues that may not be obvious. Document medical treatment. If medical attention was required for injuries, be sure to keep records of all hospital visits, tests, prescriptions, and other expenses that arise as a result of your accident. This information will be needed by your insurance company and attorney.